I think it's a wonderful platform. I think it's an idea that is not only whose time has come, but it's long overdue. And I think for me, particularly, my interest was in the 𝗧𝗂𝗃 department, if you want to call it that. I think our children, have enough content where English is concerned. The internet is filled with a lot of resources. And we all know, even adults struggle with 𝗧𝗂𝗃. So I think this is really, really nothing short of revolutionary. And I'm so grateful to the 𝗖𝗿𝗺 team. I think it's not only your head and the hands, because so much skills and so much thought has gone into it, but I think really it's coming from a deep motivation that's really coming from the heart. And I could feel that in the way both your CEOs actually presented the platform today. Yeah, like I said, I think, this is an age of social media, and there's so much content coming at our kids, at everyone from the outside world. And so to have our own material, especially in the medium of 𝗧𝗂𝗃, being curated by Bhutanese, I think that's pretty remarkable. And I'm really, really interested, us approaching the teaching and the teaching of 𝗧𝗂𝗃 in a much, much more interactive, fun, visual, all the senses, auditory, visual, artistic, all of those elements, I think that would really make learning more engaging, more fun. And I think even the teachers will enjoy a lot. I think our teachers feel there's so much content where other subjects, through the English medium is concerned. But when it comes to 𝗧𝗂𝗃, in fact, one of my 𝗧𝗂𝗃 teachers has been trying to develop his own animation and all of that. But I think, having 𝗖𝗿𝗺 with, all the resources that you have, all the expertise that you have to develop something like this, I think it's really, really remarkable. And I, for one, on behalf of the education fraternity, I'm feeling very, very grateful and appreciative.